Hey guys, this is Vibhav and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very different and useful product. This is ILIFE robot vacuum cleaner and you can control it via remote. Also you can schedule it to perform the cleaning. Since these days you prefer to clean your house on your own and avoid calling a maid, so I thought this would be the perfect time to review this product where the vacuum cleaner can help you save your time, also keeps your home clean. These are the things which you get inside the box, and these are the brushes for cleaning. This is the dock and this is the mop, and this is the back portion of the robot. Before you use the robot to clean your house, make sure you fold the carpet and mats on your floor. Now switch it on and press clean and play button, and you can also set the time for cleaning. So this is the cleaning demo. As you can see, it has lot of obstacles in its way and it goes around them, but it does not get stuck as it has lot of sensors, so you don't have to worry about it. It can clean almost your entire house and it avoids obstacles and works smoothly without needing to monitor it. Another advantage is that it can go under the bed or any area where you cannot reach easily for cleaning. The dirt and garbage is collected in this box and it cleans very well, and it automatically go back to the docking station for charging. For example, now it has done the cleaning and it is now going back to the docking station for charging. So it comes to the docking station automatically. You need not to charge it manually. Once it is done, it will go back to the docking station and it dock automatically. And other scenario is if the battery percentage is about 15 to 20%, it will go back to the docking station, and once it is charged fully, it will again start the cleaning. So yes, you don't have to monitor it, it charges itself. Now let me tell you some pros and cons with this robot. First I will start with the things I like about this product. I like the cleaning ability of this product. It cleans the floor very well. And the next thing is I like the schedule mode, so you don't have to manually operate it. If you have scheduled it, it will automatically clean the house. And it is convenient and saves your time, so rather spending time on cleaning your house, you can do other work and let it work and clean the house for you. It has compact design, so it can go under the bed or under the table where you cannot reach easily. And the last thing I like about this is controls and self-charging features, so you don't have to charge it manually. It goes automatically to the charging station and charges automatically. And few cons which I found is mopping is just average, as sometimes it does not remove the stain. It is an expensive product, but it does the job pretty well. And do let me know what do you think about this iLife vacuum cleaner, and would you like me to review this kind of product apart from smartphone and computers. And I hope you found this review helpful, and if you have still not subscribed to my channel, I request please subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. अच्छा, डस्ट इसमें आ जाती है पूरी।